Here is my Hobby King bonsai. We've seen it all before, but hey, it's a bit different. What's going on here? Look, Nitro Bonsai. Yes, I don't know if anyone's ever done this before, but I've decided to give it a go. Cox Black Widow. It's about 67 watts worth. Let's see if it flies. Woohoo!
Put a daylight through there and pull in through that part of the leg pack. So I'm going to unplug this hot glue gun.
So here we go. We've got the Nitro Bonsai, and it's time to fuel it up.
Got the transmitter plugged in and turned on?
Oh yeah, don't worry about that.
Hey?
Free flight is the new thing, man. It's the big new thing. Got to use all my crappy old plumbing for my nitro plane, for my bigger nitro planes. Here we go. Fuel this baby up. Ow, that's hot. I just had a run before and it's still hot. Still very hot. Never mind. That's full, I think. That's good.
Half a second. Pump.
Yeah, it uses a lot of fuel, eh?
Yeah.
Yep, and I've got my prime bottle with the tiny, no, I might have to put some in there. Let's put some in the priming bottle.
No, yeah.
So I can fill it up. This is the great thing about nitro. It's always so clean and nice, and you know, you just wish for more at the end of the day.
Yeah.
And it's good for the hands too. It keeps the hands soft with all the oil. Right. Okay. Now.
Radio's on.
Radio gear on. Am I in bonsai mode?
Welcome to Toronto's.
I am. Sweet. Plug in the receiver. It's always an important part of the whole deal.
It's not going to run out by the time you get out there, is it?
Don't think so. Here we go. Everything working? Beauty, mate. Time to go flying. Right. Let's hope the glow battery hasn't gone flat. Come on. Here we go. And a bit of prime first. If you prime these things with the glow plug connected, sometimes they catch on fire.
Yeah.
Not such a good look, eh?
That's right. It'll add to the
Here
video.
we go. I'll add to the spectacular effects.
Yeah.
You're right, Ron. Here we go. I think it was going the wrong way. I think the motor was going the wrong way. I forgot. Cox engines will run either way, by the way, folks. Just in case you're wondering. Let's have another go. Epic fail. This will never see the bloody YouTube channel. I'm never going to put this up. Yeah, wrong way. Better. Now we're talking. Oh, never happens with electric.
What, run out of fuel?
Maybe I didn't feel it right up. Well, we're getting there. Excitement. Oh, that's hot. That's really hot.
Must be drawing a lot of amperage.
I think it must be a lot of amps going through there, Ron. Let's have another go. Oh. Okay. Okay, it's full now. Yeah, first time I threw it, it was going the wrong way. Only an idiot would do that. Comments in the comments section, please. Yeah, come on. Right, let's have another go.
Running the wrong way.
Must have the battery. Must have the glow battery around the wrong way. Whoa! It's a bit tail heavy, Ron. Yeah, I thought it'd CG be a bit far back, but it's further back than I thought. She's pretty marginal there. Might have to have another go. Yeah, no, it was really touchy on the elevator. But we'll give it another go. I thought because...
A little bit more weight on the front.
Well, it'd be too heavy. I think we'll just try it again. I'm sure my hands are up to it. I've got the skills, man. I've got the skills. Or not.
Tail heavy. Hey, you need to fuel up first, don't you?
Nah, just give it a go. Oh, this is getting embarrassing.
No.
Majorly embarrassing. That was a crap launch. Who did that?
I don't know.
Let's try it again. Oh, man, I don't think this video will ever go on YouTube.
Yeah.
Don't think we'll put this on YouTube, Ron. It's far too embarrassing.
We've got Gordon down the tube. Whoops. What's up?
Wow, it's really sensitive on the elevators, Ron. Wow, it's really sensitive on the elevators, Ron. Well, the CG is so far back,
I'm
man.
going to go and get a bloody hard hat.
Well, I'm going to have to make some mods to this. I'm not going to be beaten by it.
Up the front of it.
I'll move the motor further forward, I think.
Or just put a bit of lead on the front. It'll still fly.
Oh man, it'll be too heavy.
How far? How much?
It's quite a way back. The CG's way back, look. It's way back. It's about, yeah, way too far back. But yeah.
We'll put a bigger battery in it.
It's too much weight. I shall remount the motor further forward. Mount the motor up here. So, because I mean the prop's a long way from the controls anyway.
Yeah.
But boy, that was a challenge on the old skills department, Ron. Stay tuned, people. More Bonsai Nitro coming. Whoa!
What's up?
Wow, it's really sensitive on the elevators, Ron.